God is the name people give to the reason we are here. God may exist, but science can explain the universe without the need for a creator. However difficult life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed at. I am just a child who has never grown up. I still keep asking these how and why questions. Occasionally I find an answer. I believe alien life is quite common in the universe, although intelligent life is less so. Some say it has yet to appear on planet Earth. I believe there are no questions that science can't answer about a physical universe. I have found far greater enthusiasm for science in America than here in Britain. There is more enthusiasm for everything in America. I have noticed even people who claim everything is predestined, and that we can do nothing to change it, look before they cross the road. In my opinion, there is no aspect of reality beyond the reach of the human mind. Intelligence is the ability to adapt to change. Life would be tragic if it weren't funny. Many people find the universe confusing. It's not. People who boast about their IQ are losers. People won't have time for you if you are always angry or complaining. Science can lift people out of poverty and cure disease. That, in turn, will reduce civil unrest. Science is increasingly answering questions that used to be the province of religion.